mami, lo que a mí me mata. Tu sobresale encima de las demás.
Holding on for life, 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 holding on for life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a spring makeup collaboration with my good friend Veronica Marín here on YouTube, guys. I do suggest before I get started and everything is to go check her out if you are into home decor. Let me tell you guys, if you guys are into home decor, definitely check her out. Like seriously, that's the channel to be right now. Home decor. She comes out with so much great ideas, guys. You know, she finds really good affordable products if you're trying to decorate your home. But she also gets down on makeup. So yeah, guys, so today we decided to get together on doing a spring makeup look for you guys. As you guys know, spring is like right here already, even though it feels like summer because it's freaking hot. It's just crazy. So anyway, so the look that I came up with was this right here, which is something very neutral. So I wanted to do something that everybody could use because I tend to do very bright looks, very exaggerated looks. I don't know, I just like standing out. So I came out with this, and I feel like this look everybody could wear it. Super easy, no lashes. But I had to top this up with a really hot pink lip because I kind of feel like I'm getting out of my comfort zone when it's just neutrals. I just can't do it. So I decided to top it up with a pink lip, and I think it looks great, especially with this color right here with my little anchor shirt. So yeah, guys, so this is how the look came out. Super easy. It doesn't even take that long. So yeah, guys, so enough chit-chatting. Please guys, please go subscribe to my girl's channel, Veronica Marín. I will leave her channel right here. Go check her out. Again, if you are into home decor and all that, definitely check her out and go tell her I sent you. So anyways, guys, so enough chit-chatting. I'm gonna let this thing go to the voiceover, and remember, please guys, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please help me get to that 1K, please, so I could do the giveaway. Please help me get to the 1K, guys, for reals. So anyways, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching, and let's just get on with the whole tutorial, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start out first by moisturizing my skin. I like to use these two together. I'm using the Cetaphil Daily Hydrating Lotion. I have very dry skin. Lately I've been noticing my skin getting super dry. I've tried freaking oils, that doesn't really work. So far what's been working for me is the Cetaphil right here, and this one's actually for extra dry skin. So I do suggest if you have really dry skin, definitely check this one out. And it's super affordable. You can find it at Walmart as well. Now the next product that I'm using is this one right here, which is aloe vera greasy. This is a Mexican product, guys. You can find this at Walmart. It's on the Mexican aisle, on the Mexican product aisle. And I like that this thing is actually paraben free. I've never come across a product for your face that's paraben free, only for hair. So that kind of, you know, got my attention. Now I find this to be a little bit more heavier, but it really does moisturize my skin, guys. So I love to mix these two together to keep my face moisturized throughout the day. So that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, now I'm gonna be prepping my eyes, guys, and I'm gonna be taking my Adept Cosmetics concealer palette, and I'm gonna be using this. I love this, seriously, I love this. The formula is so creamy, guys. It is so freaking easy to blend. This is like my holy grail concealer palette, for reals. I will have to say it's better than MAC. Sorry if the MAC one it's your favorite, I'm sorry, but this one's my favorite. It works so freaking good, and it's so affordable too. Now I'm gonna be taking this Bare Minerals Translucent Powder Duo. I like using this to actually set everything, guys, to set my my eyes, my concealer, set my whole face. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using to set the concealer on my eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline matte foundation in the color 128. I'm not gonna lie guys, I stopped using this foundation because I started noticing that it's getting oxidated, like it's literally going orange. But I couldn't find my other one, which is also by Maybelline, but it's, I believe it's a Dream Mousse, I'm not really sure. So yeah, this is the one that I'm using today. So next I'm going to go back with my Bare Minerals powder and I'm going to be setting everything up. Everything. Next I'm going to be going in with my Adept Cosmetics Magnetic Palette and I'm going to be taking a yellow from ColourPop. I have a mixture of L'Oreal, Lorac, and Urban Decay shadows here. So yeah guys, so I'm going to be taking a yellow and that's going to be my transition color. Next I'm going to be taking this orangey color and I'm going to be applying that to my crease as well. Next I'm going to be taking this color right here. This one's from Lorac. I'm not really sure what collection this was, but this is like a very shimmery color and I'm going to be putting that all over my lid, as you guys will see right now. So now I'm going to be taking the same yellow shadow that I use as my transition color. I'm going to be using that and I'm going to be putting that all over my waterline. And I'm also going to be taking the same orange color that I used and I'm going to be doing that the same. I just want to add a little bit more color to this look guys, because this is neutrals and you know your girl does not do neutrals. So yeah, so I just wanted to add a little bit more color on the bottom eye, so that's what I'm doing. So now I'm going to be taking this Temp 2 Liquid Glow. I just want to use this to kind of give my face a little bit more glow. Since this is for spring, we're talking about tanning, glowing, bronzing, and all that. So that's what I'm going to be using on my cheeks right here. But you guys know I'm still going to be applying highlight. You guys already know I am. So yeah, I just want to kind of give my face a little bit of a natural glow. So that's what I'm using here. And I got this on my BoxyCharm as well, guys. So I do suggest you guys sign up for BoxyCharm and get yourself some makeup for only $21 a month. Really, really worth it, guys. Really worth it. Then I'm going to be taking this MAC bronzer. This one's called Shaft of Gold Extra Dimension Skin Finish. And I'm going to be applying this all over my cheeks. I want to kind of get a kind of like a tanning feel, if that makes any sense. So that's why I'm applying this. And oops, that was a little glitter right there. So yeah, that's what I'm putting kind of to just bronze my face up. Now I'm going to be taking my Adept Cosmetics Concealer Palette and I'm going to be applying this on the tip of my nose. I'm actually going to be contouring my nose, but I'm trying not to do like something so over exaggerated. I'm just doing a very light contour, as you guys could see right here. So now I'm gonna be taking my Artist Couture Gold Digger highlighter. This is more like a highlighted duster. So I'm not really sure, guys, but this is loose powder, loose shimmer powder, if that makes any sense. And I'm gonna be using this to highlight. I'm gonna be highlighting the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm also gonna be applying this on my cheekbones, on my nose, because you guys already know I'm trying to look more like bronzy, glowy. you know, for this look, make it look a little bit more spring, you know, go out to the beach. So yeah guys, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today with this.
Que quieren competir y no la dan. A ti te queda bien ese froteo, que luce flaquita todo lo que te pone. Todas las mujeres de ti cogen celo.
So now time for mascara, and I'm taking my Tarte mascara. I actually got this from BoxyCharm. I am not going to be applying no lashes today guys. You guys could top this look with some natural, very natural lashes. You know, Myra does not do no natural lashes. I love the exaggerated drama, you know, really thick lashes. But so yeah, for this look I wanted it to be a little bit more natural, so I just applied mascara to the last little lashes that I have left. So yeah guys, like I said, you guys could top this off with wispies, you know, like natural lashes, or you guys could just top it off with, you know, mascara, just how I did it.
A ti te queda bien ese fronteo, que luce flaquita todo lo que te pone. Todas las mujeres de ti cogen celo.
So to top this look, I'm going to be using MILANI's Matte Diva lipstick. This is a very bright pink lip, as you guys could see. I thought about topping this off with a very bright lip because we have a lot of neutrals going on the eyes. But if you're not the kind of person that loves wearing like bright lips and all that, bright colors, then you guys could top this with a very neutral lip as well. So anyways guys, so we have come to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial because I honestly felt it was super easy and fast. Now I'm gonna ask you guys to make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on my social medias. I will leave them down below here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.
Que camina la playa con la muchacha, son las más que beben y no se emborrachan, son las más que pretenden, son de las más que se hablan, luciendo lo nuevo.